Good. Hi friends, how are you? I hope that you all are doing great. You all are fit and fine. Alhamdulillah, we are fine too. So in this video, I will show you how you will teach your own children counting numbers. I mean from 1 to 10 in practical way. Before that, I will ask some questions in English to my own daughter, Sheija Marin, and you will see how she responds to my questions. Okay? So, Marin, what is your name? Very good. How old are you? Two. Okay. And what is your father's name? Very good. Okay. So, now we'll show you, I will show you how you will teach your children counting numbers in practical way, learning by doing. Okay, Merin, এখন আমরা 1 2 শিখবো, ঠিক আছে? 1, এরপরে 2, এরপরে 3, এরপরে ভেরি গুড, এরপরে ভেরি গুড, এরপরে চিক, ভেরি গুড, এরপরে 7, এরপরে 8 9 10, very good. So in this way you will teach your own children counting numbers, and I think it will be very effective. Okay, thank you.